Hey everyone, in this video I will explain few solutions to fix the following error. Open up your task manager and make sure if Roblox is running in the background, then you need to close it. After that, open up command prompt. So to do that, go to search bar and type in there CMD and make sure to run it as administrator. You need to copy and paste all these commands in here one by one. These commands will clear the DNS caches. I will also leave the commands in the video description. Next, change or check the DNS server in your computer. So to do that, on your keyboard press Windows key and R to open up Run. And type in here ncpa.cpl. And then just click OK. Over here, choose the internet connection that you're working on. So in my case, I'm working on Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to right click on Wi-Fi and select Properties. And next in here, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Then we need to select this option, use the following DNS server address. And for preferred DNS server, type in there 8.8.8.8. And then for the bottom one, which is alternative DNS server, type in there 8.8.4.4. Also make sure to check this option, validate settings upon exit. Just in case you have already selected this option in the past and it still is not working, then you can just choose the top one which says obtain DNS server address automatically and just click OK. If the last solution didn't work, then try the next one. Press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open up Run. Type in Run, clean mgr and click OK. Make sure to check all the options in here. Once you're done, then click OK. Once you deleted all the files, open up Run again. Type this command sysdm.cpl and click OK. On the top, click on Advanced, then click on Settings. Over here, select this option, Complete Memory Dump. After that, click on OK. Then it will ask you to restart your computer, so just click on OK to restart it. After you restarted your computer, if the last solution didn't work, then try the next one. Next, we need to optimize Roblox player. So to do that, right click on Roblox player on your desktop, then click on Properties. On the top, click on Compatibility tab and make sure to check this option. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. After that, check Disable Full Screen Optimization and run this program as administrator. Once you're done, click on Apply and OK. Open up your search bar and type in there % local app data % and hit enter. In here, look for temp folder and open it up. Then find Roblox folder and delete it. You don't need to worry, it's not going to affect your account or games. So after you deleted the Roblox folder, then open up your browser. So in my case, it's Google Chrome. On the top, click on these three dots, then select Settings. On the left, click on Privacy and Security, then select this one, Cookies and Other Site Data. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Over here where it says Search, in the search bar, type Roblox. And anything to do with Roblox, just delete them. We also need to disable or remove any extension related to Roblox. So to do that, just click on Extension on the left side. And over here, you can either remove it or you can just disable it. If you're still having a problem, then the next solution is to uninstall Roblox from our computer. So to do that, press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open up Run. Type in there appwiz.cpl and click OK. Then the programs and features will open up. So in here, you need to uninstall the Roblox player and Roblox Studio. So just select them one by one and click on Uninstall. After that, head over to Microsoft Store and try to download the Roblox, as Microsoft Store version is more stable. Once the download is completed, so just click on Play and log into your account. After restarting your computer, log into your account and try. Hopefully it should be working fine. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.